Hi, this is Lance Crane from the Release Technique. Welcome to Lesson 2. In our last lesson, we explored the mechanics behind releasing, the why and how letting go actually works. Now we're going to dive into the actual process, the simple, practical steps that allow you to release emotions in the moment. Now that you've learned how the release technique works in Lesson 1, the mechanics behind letting go, it's time to take the next step, actually experiencing it for yourself. This is where the transformation happens. You're going to learn a simple yet powerful method you can use anytime, anywhere to dissolve negative thoughts, painful emotions, and inner resistance right on the spot. Let's get started. The release technique is based on awareness, decision, and willingness. The entire process can be done by asking yourself just a few key questions, each one designed to gently peel away the layers of holding on. You don't have to fight with your feelings. You don't have to analyze or relive the past. You just ask and allow the release to happen. Most of us are taught to either suppress emotions or act them out, but neither of those leads to true freedom. In this lesson, you'll learn how to simply welcome a feeling, to allow it to be here without judgment, without trying to fix it, and without making it wrong. The moment you stop resisting, you'll notice something miraculous. The emotion begins to soften, and it often lets go of you. Letting go is not something you try to do. It's a choice, and one that's always available to you in every moment. Click the link below to get free access to our micro course and start learning the release technique for yourself. It's a simple method that can create real and lasting change. Want to go deeper? Visit releasetechnique.com to explore our live class schedule and work directly with our expert teachers. Take the first step now. Your freedom starts here.